Okay, this is how to assemble your HKS Super Sequential Valve tube pipe. You need a Super Sequential Valve, compressed ring, or snap ring as they call it, gasket, and your blow-off valve attachment piece. Gasket goes in first. Snap ring has to go on to the flange. Yeah, kind of work it on there like so. Set the whole thing down in there. Then the fun part, the hardest part, is trying to compress the ring to fit into the grooves of the pipe. Once you attach the snap ring in place, it'll hold the blow-off valve in there securely, or it won't be able to come apart or move. And we attached ours kind of at an angle so that you could see down into the cone there and kind of see the purple, but you could attach it straight up, straight down, parallel, perpendicular, however you want to. But once you have it like that, you're pretty much done. Just install it in your car and make sure that you like the fitment. There. And once installed, see it right down in there.